I'm replacing the pins that go into the hinge part of the Foxwing awning. I left it out, the wind blew it up, and it snapped a couple of the, I think it's nylon. That's the replacement that they sent anyway. And the first two I drilled out, and it was quite a mess. The third one I just did successfully. I put a 5/16 tap in there, then put a large bolt through there, or in there, with the little block I had of weight, and it worked like a charm. My mistake was thinking the drill was going to work like it did 30 years ago, but it doesn't. So watch this. The official beater block, the official bolt. The 5/16 is probably bigger than it needed to be, but it's all I had handy. And okay, so here goes, watch. Maybe I spoke too soon. This one could be, darn it. Oh no, here it comes. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Check it out. I know, it's super exciting. That was the problem with the 5/16. It was hitting into the aluminum a little bit there. So if I did it again, I'd do it with a 1/4 inch. Now I know. You do too.